just got a call from the forest guard. They are spotting bisons and rhinos. We are rushing to see those. It's quite thrilling. One kind of experience. Hello and good morning, guys. Today we are heading towards an iconic place, Holong Tourist Bungalow, which is deep inside Jaldapara National Park, and we are very excited. This trip is going to be epic, so stay with us and enjoy the journey. As a traveler, journey is as important as destination for me. But if you don't want to see the drive, feel free to skip to the next section. Welcome to Sevak. After hitting Sevak Road, we could smell the hills, smell the jungles, and we could definitely smell a fulfilling vacation ahead. Coronation Bridge is an iconic landmark of this region. The bridge was built on the river Tista in 1941 to commemorate coronation of King George VI and Queen Elizabeth. Stopping the car on the bridge was not possible, so we stopped near viewpoint to get a glimpse of Tista and the Coronation Bridge. Soon we reached the plain, and on the both sides we could see vast expanse of tea gardens. We stopped the car and enjoyed the freshness for a while. So we just saw the first glimpse of tea garden in Dooars. How do you feel?
Yeah, it's extremely beautiful and so vast, green.
The entire region of Dooars is blessed with plenty of rivers, sourced directly from the Himalayas. Some are glacial, some are fed by rainwaters. We crossed many such rivers on our way to Jaldapara. After a blissful drive of 3 hours, we could reach entrance of Jaldapara National Park. Here, we had to submit copy of our government IDs and booking slip. Jaldapara National Park is one of the oldest protected sanctuaries of India. In 1941, it was declared as Gem Sanctuary to protect the great Indian one-horned rhinos. Even today, with estimated 240 counts, Jaldapara is second largest home for rhinos after Kaziranga of Assam. Other mammals like leopard, elephant, deers, wild boars, gaur, wild dogs are also seen here. The national park is also home for more than 260 types of birds, 100 types of fishes, and 8 species of reptiles. Close to 950 types of plants, trees, and grasses are also seen here. Needless to say, such biodiversity makes Jaldapara National Park a very popular destination. If you see, that is the salt pit, and it is separated from the bungalow through this electrical fence and this beautiful stream of water. I wish I could go there and dip my legs, but that is not possible. And that is the bungalow. So if you are trying to book the bungalow, see if you could book room number 5 and room number 8, because those are directly facing the salt pit. Even if you don't get a salt pit facing room, you can still avail the common room and try your luck to spot animals in the night using spotlights. We have checked into the room and we have been allotted room number 3, which is unfortunately not the salt pit facing room. Just after coming here, Anindita has spotted something. What did you see?
Yeah, it was the famous rhinoceros. It was very leisurely roaming just outside.
The bungalow is a rustic colonial style wooden property and maintained very well. The room is spacious and has nice washroom with geyser. It does not have a TV though. Well, if you need a TV or Wi-Fi, then probably this is not your place. Booking Holong Bungalow is challenging, and at the end of this video, I shall provide some valuable information and tips in case you want to book the same. So our lunch is getting ready. We are going downstairs for lunch, and after that we will maybe roam around and see. For mandatory dinner and breakfast package, they take rupees 500 per head and rupees 300 is charged for optional lunch. I would say it is worth every penny considering quality, quantity and taste of the food. Anindita and Sanjeevani decided to take some rest and I came out to have a stroll and maybe take some pictures. And what an awesome place this is, so blissful. We can hear only, different sounds of birds, insects. It's a different wild feeling. I cannot express. Wow. The smell of jungle is so refreshing. Between the salt pits and the lodge compound runs a beautiful natural stream. Sitting by it, one could watch animals and peacocks to savor salt and molasses. Even if you don't see anything, the wilderness will definitely make you to lose track of time. With the dimming daylight, temperature started to drop, and I had to go back to the room to enjoy a hot cup of tea and evening snack. Guys, we just got a call from the forest guards. They are spotting bisons and rhinos, so we are rushing to see those. Let's see. It is amazing. We saw one rhino, one gaur, couple of deers. They all came to, that salt pit. It's quite thrilling. One kind of experience. How is the experience of spotting?
Very nice.
Before heading for dinner, we wanted to stroll around the property. But we were told by the staffs that during night it is not uncommon for some adventurous animals to violate electrical fencing. So we dropped that idea. This is the booking slip of our elephant ride we are going to have tomorrow morning. I was able to secure one seat online and they were able to get two seats offline. So you have both options. The cost is same, 1020 rupees per head, including various types of tax and everything together. It's a 1 hour ride which takes you deep inside the jungle. We are quite excited about it. Good morning friends, it's 6 a.m. in the morning and I woke up before the alarm rang. Our safari, the elephant ride, is from 8:30, but I'm stepping down and going out. Wow, there is subtle freshness in the air. It's quite cold. The morning was special, the place was special, and the feeling was special as well. Yes, that is the kind of wild, fresh vibe that drags us to Mother Nature time and again. Friends, now we are heading towards the elephant safari point. Ours is 8:30 to 9:30 batch. Let's see whether we are able to see some animals or not. But anyway, I think the ride itself is going to be very, very exciting. We did the similar kind of elephant safari in Chitwan, Nepal, and it was a great experience. We are waiting here for the elephant to come to give us a ride from here, and it is just outside the Holong Bungalow. If you are staying in Holong Bungalow, you just have to take maybe 50 steps and then you can come to this boarding point. There are many debates if animal ride safaris are ethical or not. I will not go into that and leave it on the individual conscience. But I was told these elephants are either rescued or born in the camps and cannot survive in the wilderness. So guys, the elephants have arrived and we are going to take a ride. I have put the camera over here to give you a POV. Friends, please let me know whether I should continue experimenting with POV in future or if you feel the videos are not so cool. Unlike jeep safaris where the movement of vehicle is restricted on predefined tracks, elephants can go deeper inside the jungle. Hence, elephant safaris are way more thrilling. After searching a while in the woods, our Mahout took the elephant to the famous savanna grasslands, and his instinct was correct.
Mainnya.
Our elephant kept munching on while giving us ride on her back. At least someone knows to balance work and life.
কোথায় আছে পাইথন? ও এই যে ঘাসের মধ্যে লেপটে আছে, বুঝতে পারছো? হ্যাঁ, এই যে পাইথন এই যে এই যে
Just like every good thing, this wonderful safari also had to come to an end. If you are visiting Dooars, I would strongly recommend to take this ride.
So we just came back from an amazing elephant safari. We went deep inside the jungle.
We could spot Rhinoceros right from this distance, and we also saw a rock python and Sambar deer as well. It was
a very nice experience. The savanna grassland was amazing, where
Yes.
the rhino was roaming around and having food.
yeah. So we might have spoiled his breakfast.
No, he was having it.
Yes, yes. And so now we shall have our breakfast and then push off for Tilabari or Tilottama Tourist Complex. We will continue our Dooars trip. So stay with us, stay tuned.
But as promised, before I end this video, let me give you some information on booking room online in Holong Bungalow. For booking online, you need to visit WBTDCL website. But Holong can only be booked as part of package now. So it is not listed under property section. Go to the package section and scroll down. You will have 3 options to choose, where you spend a day in Holong and next day either in Batabari or Tilabari or Murti. You can select as per your choice and then continue to book after login. Remember, booking opens before 30 calendar days and right on the midnight. During season, rooms get booked within minutes. So be ready to play fastest fingers first, and best of luck.
So friends, it's 11:30 a.m. We had our breakfast and now we have checked out from Holong. The next destination is Tilabari, which is part of the same package. We spent a day here in Holong and now we are going towards Tilabari. And I hope you have enjoyed this episode. If so, give it a like. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and please click the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications, because a lot of exciting stuff's coming. I'm signing off right now, but we will meet very soon at Tilabari.